Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. Uh, I'm continuing with the OpenQuery file command tutorial. So I've already covered several videos on this one where I have explained the OpenQuery file command with simple examples like using the star equal operator in the query selection, star GT operator, percent range function, percent contain CT, that is contain function, comparing the CL variable in the selection criteria, and using the copy from query file and run query other things. So this open query file command basically used to create the temporary access path, that is ODP, open data path, and then that is shared with the RPG programs to use the output that was generated by the ODP using the overdb of shares command. So this time I'll be explaining about how we can specify multiple fields on selection. So let me show you the example. This is not required. So the first thing is declaring the file that I'm going to use. So this is the file where this employee ID, name and manager ID you can see. These are the fields. So first overriding this file with share styles, then using the open query file. From file is pf1 that we are selecting data from. So you can see I have used two conditions like employee name star ct3. So the whole expression is included in single quotes, and if any character value, then has to be within double quotes. That may or may have to be double quotes, but numeric cannot be inside the double quotes. So employee name contains three. First thing, and. So we have used and operator and to basically have the and manager ID equals 9. So let me take enter here. So and calling this RPG program that is using this ODP and closing this ODP and deleting this override. So you can see the condition is CT contains 3 and manager ID equals 9. Just save this. So multiple fields on selection, and this is the program. We are declaring the pf1 file and reading it in loop. So all the records that are part of the ODP will be read and displayed here to show what ODP contain. Now just compile this. That RPG is already compiled, so do not need to compile that. We have compiled this with the star source. Just do strdbg. So here we have multiple fields specified on the selection, or you may say multiple conditions on the selection. And just call this after setting the point. So just do work job. There is no ODP open for file pf1. There is no override till now. So once these command executed, you can see the ODP. ODP is created for file pf1 and override is there. Just so it contains 3 and manager ID is 9. So let's see. So that contains name contains 3 are 2 records 3 and 4, and the manager ID is 9. So these two are the records that are fulfilling the criteria. So 3 and 4 are the part of the ODP, and that will be read and displayed here. Employee ID is 3, name is name 3, manager ID is 9, employee ID is 4, employee name is name 3, and employee manager ID 9. So these are the two records that got processed and displayed. Once these two commands are executed, you may see the ODP deleted and the override deleted. So this way you can specify multiple field on selection using the OpenQuery file command. So that's all here. Thank